Okay, this is a phone. The first thing you have to do, you have to take out the two screw here. I need to change the LCD for this one. The LCD is totally damaged. Okay, you have to remove the two screw for the down here. You have two screw here. Make sure you take out them. Make sure you have the right screwdriver to do it. Take out this one also. Okay, after you take out the two screw, then you remove the SIM tray. Put it one side. Okay, now you need to use a pencil to take out this back cover. If you don't have the pencil, also if you have a nails, you can use your nail, but you very be careful because it's a bit hard. Okay, you just use pencil like this, just open it right now. Okay, when you open it, you have to very be careful for the connector. There's a connector here comes to the volume key and the home key and the flashlight and the fingerprint. So you have to open it slowly like this, just slide it like this and disconnect the connector. This one goes to the volume key and everything. Okay, put it one side. Okay, now you need to remove this one screw here. There's one screw you need to take out. Take out this screw, put it one side. Okay, then you remove this metal. Just remove this pan on top here, this cover. Raise it up a bit like this, remove it. You see there's a clip here, only one screw in the middle. Okay, take it out and disconnect the battery. Okay, and this is the LCD cable. Disconnect the LCD cable, this one. Okay, now you need to remove the ringer so you can have access to remove the connector very nice and fix the new one. So remove this ringer. Disconnect the ringer from here. Okay, make sure you remove this ringer from this side. Okay, and to remove this ringer, you have to remove the charging system also. Make sure you take out all the screws, okay, and remove this connector here. Remove this clip. Okay, remove the network cable. Be careful, just take it out like this. Put it halfway like this. Okay, then you remove this cover. Put it one side. Okay, disconnect this connector here. Okay, you pull the charging system. Just leave the other connector on it, the big one. Leave it like this. It's okay. Just bend it like this. Okay, you remove the ringer. Place it up. Take it out like this. Okay. Now you have access to take out the LCD. You have to put at the heat machine at least for 10 to 15 minutes so this one can come out. If you don't have the heater at home, you can just remove it because you don't have no need to not to scare about because you are coming to replace the LCD. Okay. I already hit my own, so make it more easy for me to open if you hit it. Okay, but if you don't have the heater, just open it. No need to scare because you still need to remove it. You are going to put new LCD. Okay. Take out the LCD. Okay. Remove all this half glass right round. If you want crack like this, if not, just clean the glue. Make sure you clean all the glue right round, very nice. Okay, clean it right round, very nice. Remove all the glue there so that the new glue can rest properly and the skin can fix very well. Okay, after I clean it right round, okay, now you need to apply the glue. Make sure you put the glue right round, very nice. Okay, don't put on top of the speaker. Okay, don't put on top of the sensor. Don't put on top of the front camera. Okay, just make sure you put it right around the phone, very nice. Don't mess up the phone that much. Just put it right around, very nice like this. Okay. After I put the glue right around, okay, now you need to fix the LCD. Make sure you pass the connector here. Okay, just put it like this. Very nice. Make sure you put it very straight. Don't bend it. Make sure you put it very straight. Very nice. Okay. Then you fix the LCD. Make sure the battery is not connected. Okay. Disconnect the battery. Then make sure you fix the LCD now. Very nice, very straight like this. Okay. Then you put back the ringer. Put it very nice. There's a clip here. The clip needs to go inside like this. Slide it. Okay. Make sure it rests properly. Okay. You put back the charging system. Make sure you put it very nice. Don't bend it. Make sure it rests very well. Nice one. Okay. Make sure the connector is up. All this connector. It rests very nice like this. Fix all the connector back. These two connectors from the ringer side. Fix them very nice. Okay. You replace all the screw you take out. So many screws. Make sure you replace the screws you take out. So many screws. Make sure you replace all the screws. Okay, you put back this cover here. This cover have a clip here. You have to clip it here in the side before you put this one down. Okay, you put back the screw you take out from there. Okay, you fix back the network cable. Make sure you fix it very nice so your network will come. If you don't fix it very nice, the network become very weak. Okay, make sure you fix it very nice like this. Okay, and make sure this cable go inside there very well so the back cover can close properly. Okay, it's supposed to be inside here very nice like this inside. Okay, so I fix the charging system. Okay, now you fix the battery. Connect the battery terminal very nice. Okay, you put back this cover you take out from there, slide it inside there. There's a clip there. Okay, you put the other one here, another clip here also. Make sure you go inside very well. The two clip at the side. Okay, before you put the screw, manually just one screw. Okay, now you fix back the back cover. You have to fix this connector back. This one here. You see the place here. Just connect the connector here. Very nice one before you put the back cover. Okay, when you put the back cover, it starts closing for the top here. Okay, close the top first, very nice, and the middle before you close it down. Okay, you replace back the screw you take out, the two screw. Okay, don't forget to put back the SIM tray. Okay, now you on the phone to test the LCD, see if the LCD is okay. The phone is on. You can see the logo already show. The LCD is okay. Everything is okay. Timing is okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.